Koenigsegg has just revealed one of its wildest hypercars ever. Meet the Koenigsegg CCGT1, a road-legal, track-focused machine with up to 1,600 horsepower and something almost unheard of in a modern hypercar: a clutch pedal. But the story behind this car actually started almost 20 years ago. Back in 2007, Koenigsegg developed the original CCGT to compete in GT1 racing. It was lightweight, powerful, and designed with serious racing ambitions. But before the car ever got the opportunity to compete, regulation changes effectively ended the project. Now, Koenigsegg is bringing that unfinished story back to life. The new CCGT1 is based on the CC850, but almost every exterior panel has been redesigned for serious aerodynamic performance. At the rear sits the largest active wing Koenigsegg has ever fitted to a production car. Combined with an aggressive front splitter and active aerodynamics underneath the car, the CCGT1 can generate around 800 kilograms of downforce at 250 kilometers per hour. And then there's the engine. The twin-turbo V8 produces 1,280 horsepower on regular pump fuel. Fill it with E85 and output climbs to an incredible 1,600 horsepower. But perhaps the most fascinating part is the transmission. Koenigsegg offers its 6-speed gated manual system, giving drivers the experience of shifting gears by hand. But there's also a new 9-speed sequential system. You use a real clutch pedal to launch the car, but once you're moving, the transmission can perform extremely fast clutchless shifts using ignition cuts. It's essentially Koenigsegg combining old-school driver involvement with modern hypercar technology. And for owners who want even more performance, Koenigsegg is offering its first factory-authorized track package, adding equipment specifically designed for serious circuit driving. Only 70 CCGT1s will be produced, and incredibly, every single one was already allocated before the car was publicly revealed. The original CCGT never got its chance to prove itself in competition. Nearly 2 decades later, Koenigsegg may have finally given that forgotten race car the comeback it deserved. So what do you think? Would you choose the 6-speed manual or the 9-speed sequential? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more upcoming cars and automotive news.